Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix if your Snapchat friends Bitmoji it not showing. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in this case, if your friend's Bitmoji icon is not showing into your Snapchat, the first thing you should do is to check your internet connection. If your internet is not connected properly, your Snapchat will not show Bitmoji icon of your friend. And in second scenario, if your friend haven't set up his or her Bitmoji into Snapchat, it won't be seen into your Snapchat account. Now in this case, you cannot do much. And another most possible scenario here is that you haven't updated your Snapchat yet and you cannot see the new Bitmoji icon that your friend already updated and set into Snapchat. Now in order to solve this, just simply go to App Store and Play Store of your device and then update your Snapchat. In order to do that, just simply search for Snapchat application. Then if it shows this update icon, click into that and update your Snapchat. Then after that, it will probably start to show up the Bitmoji of your Snapchat friends. Now if it still doesn't working, then you should try clearing Snapchat cache. In order to do that, just simply go to Snapchat setting, then scroll down all the way bottom. Then you will get this clear cache option here. Click into that and then click to confirm. Then even after doing that, if it's not showing the Bitmoji of your friend, you should take a break and try after some time. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.